This video is designed to help 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade teachers in the Santa Barbara Unified School District create a writer's workshop class on the Neo LMS so that they can utilize digital rubrics for grading their students' writing. The first thing that we'll do is we will add a new class and we'll call it Writer's Workshop. You can of course call it whatever you like. On this page you can also set the date, you can put the subject as English Language Arts, and set your grade level. We'll choose 4th right in the middle for this one. After that, we'll need to configure this class so that it aligns with the Writer's Workshop rubric and points total system that they use. So we will go to Admin and Configure and click on the Assignments tab. Scroll down to the grade map. We need to edit this grade map. We'll go ahead and start by eliminating all of these default grades and numbers. Then we'll use the 4, 3.5, 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1, and we'll go ahead and put in a 0 so that it matches the Writer's Workshop rubric. In the minimum percent, we've done the math to figure out that it is 88% for 4, 76% for a 3.5, 64% for a 3, 51% for 2.5, 39% for a 2, 26% for 1.5, and 2% for 1, and then 0 is 0. On the letter percent, we'll just split out of 100, then 87.5, followed by 75, 62.5, 50, 37.5, 32.5, 25, and again 0. And save. Just to double check, now the grade map for this entire class has been changed to align with the Writer's Workshop rubric. Alright, let's go to Assignments, and when you're ready to create an assignment, you'll add an essay assignment. Again, you can title it however you like with your own naming convention. We'll just call this 4th grade Writer's Workshop Trimester 1 if you are grading an overall piece for the end of the trimester. And of course you can set your categories and your due dates and all of those kinds of things, but for now we'll just keep it at the default. Alright, now use the Add a Rubric tab at the top of the assignment and select from the library. All of these rubrics have been saved in the district library under the English Language Arts section. And sure enough, scrolling down, you'll see 3rd grade Writer's Workshop Narrative Rubric, 4th grade Writer's Workshop Narrative Rubric, 5th grade Writer's Workshop Narrative Rubrics. And the information writing and the argument and opinion piece rubrics will be there shortly. So we're going to choose our 4th grade Writer's Workshop Narrative Rubric, and there it is attached to our assignment. Now, when we're ready to grade, we'll just click open that assignment, choose Grades, and we'll see our list of students. When we're ready to grade a student's work, we'll click on the little piece of paper and it will open the rubric. You'll be looking at the student's writing, maybe on a piece of paper that they wrote on, maybe in Google Classroom or Google Docs, wherever they wrote. The students don't need to interface with Neo at all for you to use these rubrics. When you're ready to start grading, you just click on the box that corresponds with the student's writing all the way down. The mid-level areas are available as well. And then hit save. Because we set up the grade map correctly, Neo then does all the math and conversion for you. So we see up here on this student's grade that they scored 24 possible points out of the total of 44, which is 53%. That's a little bit irrelevant. But the grade then is converted to a 2.5 and matches the conversion chart at the bottom of the Writer's Workshop rubric. Another benefit of this rubric is, as you can see, the boxes that you selected while grading this paper are highlighted, and they remain there under this assignment and this student's account. So when you are conferencing with a student or conferencing with a parent or going back to look at growth over time, you can see exactly which area you chose and why. So that's how to set up a Writer's Workshop class in Neo and how to use the digital rubrics. If you want any help setting this up, please don't hesitate to make an appointment with Rob. I'll come up and get you all set. Thanks.